akin, Cynthia. This event isn't in your calendar yet. You haven't interacted with Cynthia together like that come before. Do you want to automatically add this and future engagement thing to your calendar? Tomorrow, 5 to 6 a.m.
Murag professional man ang anak ko ganyan.
This event isn't in your calendar yet. Join by phone.
Murag doktor man yung anak.
American New York. Cynthia organizer. Visa official, we will be meeting with our visa consultant is not calendar. Get ready for a hot step toward your dreams. Your free 60-minute visa consultation is confirmed. Huh? Your free 60-minute visa consultation is confirmed. We believe in your case, which is why we schedule a Google Meet with our visa consultant. Our
Masing
team
ko man
to
ito ang
map
kuan.
out the perfect visa petition today. Get you approved as fast as possible and get you closer to your loved ones. We can't wait to see you.
Wala man. Online ang isa buga sa galaag.
When July 20. Ugma pa man eh. July 20. 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. Ma pa.
Isent siya.
Wala, diri sige diri gi pasa sa ko kay nangayo man diri man nangayo og email nako. Kinado siya i-text kay si ko lagi dili na online online. Diri gi text ako. Siya kailangan ni mo mabasa og legima na siya. Dapat ipasa daw ni nako dito. Wala man siya ka online. Wala ko email ako ang gi-text sa email.